Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Bar 800 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working properly. Maybe it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, or it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device or your television, or it keeps disconnecting, not responding, etc. A lot of these issues can be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with this soundbar. Maybe you're setting it up on a new network or in a new home and you want to delete everything off of it so you can set it up fresh. We can go ahead and do this quite easily. We just need to make sure that our soundbar is on. And with our soundbar on, we're just going to come in and we're going to press this volume up, volume down, and source buttons, all three simultaneously at the same time for 5 or more seconds. And after those 5 seconds or so, the soundbar will turn off and it will reboot into its factory default state, at which point you can set it up like you're setting up a new soundbar.